Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and this is my new favorite home decor piece.
This candle warmer by Ceadoca is not only gorgeous, it's incredibly clever. You can have candles of different sizes on this, and it is so beautiful. I was immediately drawn in by the style, but it's also so practical because I can enjoy my favorite candles without having to worry about them being lit. This also has a dimmer feature, so you can make it brighter, make it dimmer, and it has a timer, so you can enjoy the scent of your favorite candle, but then it's automatically going to turn off depending on the time you choose on the timer. You can have it go for 2 hours, 4 hours, and then it automatically shuts itself off. So you can see it can be a beautiful dim light or you can make it brighter. I think this is so clever and it works so well. It heats that candle up from the top down, and so that wax starts to melt just like a wax warmer, only I'm enjoying my favorite candle without having to light it. I think this is genius. I can safely enjoy my candles. I just shut it off when I'm done, or I set that timer, it automatically shuts off, and it is so incredibly beautiful. I love the thoughtful style. I think that this is going to go in so many different decors, and I also think that it makes an incredible gift. I was super happy to receive this, and I think anyone who loves candles or loves good smelling things is going to really love this.
I love so many things about this candle warmer. I think it's gorgeous and it is so effective. It smells so good in here. Definitely check this out. I think it's going to look gorgeous in your space too. That's just my point of view.